Alright guys, what's going on? So today we got a special package from mac.customs. Make sure to follow them at mac.customs if you want some lights for your truck. We'll be selling some lights. Thanks for them. They sent me some free rock lights that we'll be selling today. Use my code at checkout F150.10 for 10% off. And then let's get to unboxing. So I am part of their team now. Thanks for the letter. And then let's see what else they sent us. Looks like some keychain, zip ties. I've never seen companies send me zip ties. That's clutch. Nice, some magnets. Some magnets again, yeah. And more magnets. More magnets. Right, that's 4 magnets. I'll open this in a sec. Looks like the wires. Side. More wires, and boom, right here. Look how big these are. LED rock lights. Make sure to follow them again on Instagram, mac.customs. Use F150.20 for 10% discount. Get right with us. Alright, let's open these. We got these zip ties. I'm surprised by zip ties. No one sends me zip ties. Like every order I order, no zip ties. So that's nice. Oh, then they even have a remote for the lights. That's nice. And then keychain. Mac Customs. This is all. Done with this package. Look at this. What this is. Let's go sticker. We'll probably go up there probably. Bottle opening. And then more stickers. Nice. And these are just magnets. And then I probably won't show the installation because there's probably a bunch of videos out there, but I will show you guys the finished product. Also, huge thanks to Mac Customs for helping this video come alive. Needed some lights, hit them up. They said we'll send you some, so thanks to them. Again, use F150.20 at checkout. Thank you guys. Alright guys, so finally finished it. Here's the remote that came with it. Now let's turn them on. 3, 2, 1. Sheesh. It looks so good. They're so like big too and bright. Let me turn it on. It looks so amazing. Yeah, I also have to get a liner, rear liners, so I can like mount them. But it looks so good. Oh my god. Again, thanks for Mac Customs for supporting this build. Use F150.10 at checkout to get 10% off. Thank you guys again. Alright, so also I will upload how I wired them and mounted them. I will show you guys a video of how I mounted them and wired them on the next video.